Julia Reinhold has a vast medley of songs that she herself has arranged. She can sit at the piano and play for hours, all without reading music. You'll probably recognize her third song coming up, the Oriental Blues, as that was Ernie Kovac's theme. So I'll let her get started here, but I just want to tell you a brief story. Karen's been trying to teach me the difference about reading, playing the piano by seeing the notes or playing by ear. Well, I met a guy on the QE2 during a world cruise. His name was Pete Barbuti, and he used to play by nose. He would bang his nose on the keyboard, and the whole audience in the QE2 was falling down laughing. And I had heard him tell a joke to Johnny Carson that he didn't remember, but I'll tell you that joke after we hear this next performance from Julia.